Hi guys, it is Savage Barb, aka Biigmuvvaa. You already looking at the video like, girl, we already know you finna install this wig, but it's like, can I do the intro first? Like, give me a second. Basically, yolissahair or Yolissa sent me this unit. I love it. First of all, y'all already know that I like curly. Like, check this out. Check this out. This ain't even that curly. I kind of like it. It's more of a water wave than curly. I really love this unit. If you really want to see how I installed this wig and how I did the famous or infamous side part edges, just keep on watching this video. All right, before we really get into it, I just wanted to show y'all the thickness and just the fullness, the thickness, the density of this hair. This is literally 180% density, but like it doesn't even fit in the camera. Like I need to step all the way back for y'all to see it. Like this hair, I really like it. I already went ahead and plucked and bleached the knots. It was small knots. I really love that too. I don't like big knots, you know what I'm saying, where whatever you do, even if you bleach the wig, even if you pluck it, it's still gonna look crazy just because the knots are big. So if you are somebody that is like a beginner, please look out for the big ass knots. Show y'all, those are small knots. Now, what I really do appreciate, and I'm saying appreciate because a lot of wig companies do not do this, is the 13x4 being a 13x4. Now, the people that wear wigs already know what I'm talking about. Like, the wigs usually come in like, they be saying 13x4, but that be the 13x4, and then this part be like 1 inch on the sides. I really like that it's a 13x4 from the 13 to the 13, from ear to ear. You know what I'm saying? It leaves you to make way more hairstyles than the other 13x4s. I always put these at the literal last bit, because I like when the wig is like a hat. Like I like it being tight. Like I don't like it being loose in the back and shit like that. And I think this size is even an M. Yes, it is. It's an M. It's a medium. You know what I'm saying? I got a big head, but I ain't got a big ass head like that. So then you put it on. We're just gonna look at it. I just want to see what it's giving. Okay. Oh my God, let me calm down. Let me calm the fuck down. Hold on. We need to go from ear taps to ear taps. Bro, I like that the ear taps are big. I like that it's a real 13x4, to be honest. I'm not even lying to y'all. I really appreciate this right now. Like, I really appreciate, bro. Who the fuck are you talking to though? Like, bitch, if your wig don't look like that, I don't know why the fuck you arguing with me. You see what I'm saying? Like, if you can't pull off this, bitch, like, if you can't pull off this, why we arguing? Who argue? Are you even allowed to speak to me if you don't got this in your fucking closet? If you ain't got this in your closet, I don't know why we talking. How you gonna come for me and you ain't got this in your closet? This shit look like I can just go to sleep like that. Like, shit made my whole neck disappear and everything. Like, I look just, bro, I didn't even glue the shit down and I'm already gassed. Like, what the fuck? Like, I just look fucking good. This is not a joke. Like, am I going to be sweating in this bitch? Yeah. Like, what? Like, it's, bro, it's hot as fuck outside. I'm finna sweat in this bitch. But see, do I really care? Now that I have this on my fucking head, do I really care that much? Do I care that much? I don't think I do. Like, I really don't. Like, this shit is bomb. This is a bomb unit, okay? Thank you so much, Yolissa. The first thing everybody should do, that's the first step, is to really see, does the wig fit? You know what I'm saying? This wig fits. It fits flat. It don't look weird. It's not like loose in the back. You know what I'm saying? I don't even have the glue on, like it doesn't feel weird. Then the second thing is to get off the ear tabs. Now, a lot of people be doing it a little bit wrong. Okay, I wouldn't say there's a right way, but I wouldn't suggest you just cut. I would suggest you literally part the hair. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be a little hard if you got a big ass unit like this one. You just part the hair. You can see my ear right here. You can see it right here. Then you cut. You don't want it to be a thing where you cut off too much and now you got space right here. You don't want to have space right here. You see what I mean? If you got it like that, then you take your little baby scissor and then you cut it. And you go all the way to the back. It's not that much left. Yes. That's how I want it. You see that? That's how you want it. Now you see the difference? This is going over my ear, and then this is right like that. That's how you get that natural look without cutting too much. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back. So you cut off both of the ear tabs. Just see, do you like it? Does the hair cover all the lace? It does, as you can see. This is the lace. This is right in front of the lace. Just like that, it covers everything. We like that, we love that. Okay, so before you put glue on your forehead, I suggest you clean the area you're gonna put glue on. For this install, I'm gonna be doing like 2 layers only, because I'm gonna be changing this wig in about a couple days. Work in little sections, so you know what I'm saying, you don't make a mess. I've seen videos of people, they do it like right everywhere, and then they realize, oh shit, I have too much glue. You also don't want to have too much glue, because then it's not gonna stick and it's gonna like basically go through the lace, or it's not gonna dry down at all. I'm literally letting everything dry with a fan. Literally, you just put on the lace, just like that, everywhere you wanted it, just like that. And then you start brushing everything in. You just start brushing everything. That's the part where I fucked up at. You can see this part of the lace was wrinkly as fuck. I didn't realize that until I was cutting the lace. I did go ahead and reinstall the wig a day later, so now it looks way better. For next time, make sure the lace lays flat on your forehead. I'm gonna let the glue dry down. I feel like doing a side part, and if y'all can see the one, let me even turn it down. I think in my last video I did a middle part, so I think for this one I'm gonna be doing a side part. I'm gonna be using that Rand Deluxe Locked In Tint Mousse just to tan, or basically tint the lace a little bit. My color is, what is it? Mocha, that's my color. You just basically let it sit just like that. It just basically let the, you just basically let it sit and then just let the tint do its job. So basically what I do is I cut the lace in sections like this. I'm gonna start off down here. I don't wanna cut too much here. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm putting on lace tint on my lace, right? I'm using the, like I said, the Rand Deluxe lace tint. Just like work it in the hair. The tint is already working, like look at this, please. After I put on this headband, I could not function. Like, I was so dizzy. Like, the headband was way too tight. The hair was so big, I couldn't work with it. So in the next clip, you're gonna see me with the clothes that I had on from the first clip, because that's how long it took me to like style the hair and everything, and then really come back so I can really just do the edges. All right, I just went ahead and did the hair like off camera because I could not work with this hair. This hair was so fluffy, I could not work with it. So I just thought, okay, let me just style it. That's the hairstyle I was going for. I thought, should I really do edges? I was really not trying to do some edges, and I just really like it just like that. But because I took out the hair, my own hair, I might just have to do edges. As you can see, it don't really look that plucked. Even though if you look at it in real life, you look a little plucked, but it don't really look that plucked on the thing. So we're gonna pluck it. I'm not disappointed at all. I love this. Like, I actually love it with the edges way more, and I'm so proud that I actually did the TikTok edges everybody keep doing. I'm not gonna call them TikTok edges, but the side part edges everybody keep doing, and we did it on the other side as well. I keep touching it. I feel so good, like, bruh. So guys, this is the hair in its natural state, and I've just grown to love wigs in their natural states. Like, I washed the hair and I just braided it down, 2 little braids, and then went to bed, woke up, opened it like this, and that how it looks like. I love this so much. It has no product. The only thing it has up here is heat protector, nothing else. I love this. It is indeed so, it's just so fluffy. Like, it just screams like summer. It screams like vacation. It screams Hawaii chill. Like, it just screams all that. Like, I really love it. Like, thank you again, Yolissa, for sponsoring this video, giving you all the kisses. If you want this unit, go to the description box below. Follow me on all my social medias. I love you guys. I'm gonna see y'all the next time, okay? Mwah.